We always think that menstruation is a woman phenomena. Hey there, I'm MX Riya Sharma. I am a human rights youth activist, a public speaker, and an educator. And I go by the pronouns they and them. My journey was quite a roller coaster ride, for the fact that I faced a lot of difficulty in accepting myself in a society which taboos LGBT so much. But the good news is that I eventually got the right kind of resources and support from the people around me, and that really fueled my journey and my dream of becoming a social activist and helping people who don't have the kind of resources that I got. I believe that I was born with a lot of privilege, and I'm really grateful for that, and I try my best to use that privilege to good use so that I can extend my support forward to young queer people who are struggling through so much. Nevertheless, it wasn't easy when I was understanding my identity. We live in a society where we are very comfortable with tags, we are very comfortable with binary, and so coming out as gender fluid was quite a journey, because people thought that I was confused, people thought that I was invalid, people thought that I was just faking it. But that's when you realize that you have to do something, you have to bring about a change, you have to change the mentality of people, because it's so stringent, it's so rigid, and it takes away the freedom of a person to just exist as they are, because having different identities does not make you weird, it just makes you different. And so that was and that is my goal in today and in future. And yeah, that's about it. And I had two journeys going on at the same time of understanding my sexuality and understanding my gender. I faced a lot in the journey. I faced online abuse, I faced bullying, faced ragging, but I think my identity and my struggles make me who I am today. And so I'm grateful of the struggles, and today I embrace myself as I am. Talking about menstruation, we see menstruation from a very rigid lens. We always think that menstruation is a woman phenomena. And narrating my experience, I was assigned female at birth, but as I grew up, I understood that I couldn't identify with the idea of being a complete woman, or being a woman completely, as I could put it better. I, being a gender fluid person, sometimes felt as a man, sometimes as a woman, sometimes as both, and sometimes as none. And I was valued that way. And so when we say that menstruation is a woman phenomena, we are discriminating and putting out a lot of other gender identities who bleed. And so we really need to talk about it, I think bleeding in itself is a very tabooed topic, and we don't talk about it a lot. And especially, when we are giving period ed to assigned females at birth in school, we have been told that, when you go back to your class, don't tell the boys about it. And it does not make sense to me, because everybody needs to know what kind of struggles everybody goes through. And so that's my perspective to menstruation and bleeding. We need to make these conversations more inclusive and more gender neutral, because the struggles are enormous. The struggles are everywhere, and we need to know about everything and be educated about it. And so I encourage spreading awareness. I encourage spreading empathy.